By the end of this video, you're going to know how to build out 24/7 AI employees that can automate tasks for you in just a few seconds. Because a brand new AI update just dropped that allows you to simply describe in plain English exactly what you want to automate, and boom, this goes off and does it. And this is what the future of work is going to look like. In fact, this is what the current of work looks like for people that are up to date on the latest and greatest changes in AI. Because you could simply just describe to AI what you want done, it will remember it, it will do it, and basically what work is going to be in the future is just humans going through and monitoring and managing these different AI automations and AI agents, basically like 24/7 AI employees. So let's get into exactly how you could set these up. So here's how easy building out these 24/7 AI employees actually is. You're simply going to come over here and you're going to say something like this: create a workflow that tracks my website's SEO rankings for specific keywords on a daily schedule. It should then use AI to analyze your results and send me an email on Gmail if my ranking drops and suggestions on how to improve it. Then you're just going to click on the send button right there. And now what this is going to do is ask us a few questions. For example, what is the website URL? So we're going to come over here and we're going to say contentbuddy.ai. To what keywords do we want to track? I am going to type in Content Buddy, Content Buddy AI, AI tools for social media, how to find trends on TikTok, and how to find trends on Instagram, because those are all going to be relevant. What email address should receive alerts? So we're just going to come over here and I'm going to put in my email address. I do have to blur it out just for YouTube. What time of day should this run? I'm going to put 9 a.m. What search engine? We're going to put Google and Bing. Now, what this is going to do is this is literally going to go off, and this is going to begin to build out all of the different nodes for this workflow. And just like that, this is going to be automated for us. And we can see Deep Agent pretty much does all the work between just asking us questions about exactly what we want done and us simply explaining exactly what it should be doing. And I want you to think about this. Not only can you set this up for your own website, but you could literally set up an SEO AI agency that's run completely with digital employees that are going through and checking. And then you have another one that goes through and updates all the websites in order to increase their SEO. Okay, so we could see that in order to do this, we had to hook this up to Gmail. It was literally as simple as it just saying, please connect your Gmail, me clicking on this, connecting it, and it literally took just a few seconds. And now we could see that this is actually building out the plan for the execution strategy, and then it's going to build out all the nodes. Okay, so now that this is actually done, we can see exactly what this does. So every day at 9 a.m., this is going to run this daily SEO ranking monitor for ContentBuddy.ai. It's going to track the SEO for Content Buddy across 5 different keywords on Google and Bing, and we could see all the different things that this workflow is going to do. So I'm going to click on test workflow right here. Now this is going to go through and this is actually going to complete this workflow, and we will be able to see exactly what it looks like and monitor it. But of course, this is just the test run. After this and we approve of it, this is going to run 24/7 in the background. So we can see that this is literally going through on both Google and Bing right now and looking up where I am actually ranking for all of these different keywords. And this is basically referencing code in order to do this instead of using browsing, which is going to be way faster like this. Now we can see here, this successfully went through, this did this. It gives us a list of all these different completed actions right here. So it initialized the historical data file. So basically it checked the last thing for the SEO rankings. It went through and collected it for all 5 keywords for Google, all 5 keywords for Bing, created and saved the ranking snapshot for today's date, verified if it was the first run, so it has no historical comparison available. And then it went without going through and sending an email just because this was the first run. So this is basically just getting a baseline. And it says, I rank number 1 for these different keywords. I'm not ranking in the top 50 for the other keywords. So now this has a baseline in order to compare, and it can go through in the future and tell me if I've gone up or down in the rankings, or it will tell me how I could actually improve. Now, like I was saying, that was just the first thing that you could do. If we come over here, we could see the next thing, which again, if we were running like an SEO agency, this is how we would actually do this and build out these AI employees. So we can see the next thing is going to be create a workflow that automatically writes and publishes new blog posts to my WordPress website every single week. The blog post should be about space, exploration, and should be optimized for SEO. Now, obviously, what you would do is just make this about whatever keywords you were trying to rank for, or give Deep Agent a list of different keywords that you were actually trying to rank for. And what's cool about this is you could also get this to scan your email. Or maybe with that first automation that we set up, instead of you getting it to actually send you an email, you have it just put all the different keywords that you should be ranking for on a Google Sheet. You then give this automation access to that Google Sheet, and boom, it can build it. Now have two AI employees working with each other. So we're going to come over here. We're going to click submit on this. Again, this is going to ask us a few websites questions like for the WordPress details and stuff like that. We then give it access. And now we can see that this literally goes through and built this out. So here's what the workflow actually looks like. We can see every day at 9 a.m. And by the way, you could set this up to run hourly. You could set this to run whatever cadence you want. This is going to automatically research, write, and publish SEO optimized 1,000 word blog posts about space exploration to the Abacus AI blog daily at 9 a.m. And we can see the exact workflow right here. One, it's going to initialize or verify the blog post topic history file. Two, it's going to research and identify 5 to 10 current space exploration projects. 3, it's going to select a unique topic. 4, it's going to conduct research. And think about this. This is literally a 9-step process that probably would take a human a few days to do, or at least a week or hours. And guess what? You're going to be able to get access to this for way cheaper than hiring a human, which is why I am so bullish on this opportunity right here. And then it's going to draft it. It's going to convert it into HTML format. It's going to publish it to the blog post using WordPress. And then it's going to update the blog post history. And then it's going to log the details of the execution run. So if you have any humans that work for you, or if you manage humans, you know how hard it is to get an update on what they're actually doing, but this tool does it for you. Okay, so now from here, we could actually test this run and we could see everything that it's doing. It's going through, it is researching, it now went through and wrote this blog post. And now we can see that it's literally going through on WordPress and updating this. And then it's going to let us know that we did it. And it's going to give us the link to that blog post with the key deliverables. And we could see exactly what this looks like right here, which is insane. Now, before I get into the rest of those use cases that are only going to get crazier and crazier, I wanted to remind you of two things. One, that you could use this to build out automations for anything, because even if Deep Agent doesn't have access or authorization to whatever it needs to get access to, it will actually ask you for that and figure out how to set it up and link it so that you don't have to. In addition to that, if you go to the pinned comment below right now, you could get started with Deep Agent today for only $10 a month. This is an absolute no-brainer. I want you to think about it like this. How much could you replace if you were able to just go through and do this? And I'm sure that is going to be way more than $10 a month worth of value. So if you're not using a tool like this, you're actually wasting money. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and get started with it today. In addition to getting access to Deep Agent and the ability to build out these 24/7 AI employees, you're also going to get access to Chat LLM, which allows you to access all of the best LLMs all from one dashboard. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you is how you could actually have this go through and build a daily workflow that gets the latest AI news from Route LLM AI, formats it as a newsletter, and then sends it both to your email and to your Slack. So essentially, you could get this to build out customized newsletters that you'll get on email and Slack about any topic from any source that you want. And guess what? You could even productize this. Let's say that you have somebody that's writing a newsletter, you would be able to automate this for them. Or somebody that wants to launch a newsletter, you would be able to automate this for them. Or you could make automated newsletters as a product with this powering it in the background. So per usual, you're going to have to answer a few questions here, like what the email address is, what the news sources are. We could see that this actually went through and this built out this workflow. So this is going to come over here. This is going to get the top 20 AI/machine learning news articles, and it's going to send them to your email and Slack every morning. It goes through this 6-step process right here to search, summarize, create, save, send, and then it's also going to actually log that it did all of this. Per usual, once this is actually built out, we could come over here, we could test this run right here to see exactly what this looks like, and then we're going to be able to see all the results. So right now, this is going through and researching, then this is creating the actual newsletter itself. Now we could see that this has been executed on, and now we could see exactly what this looks like. We get this daily briefing every morning that has the title, has a source, has a description, has read more, and we could go through and get this now every single morning. So we basically get customized news. And if you don't want it to be a newsletter, you could get this in video format, podcast format. It's so incredible, all the different things that Deep Agent can do. And you don't just have to do this for AI news. For example, you could come over here and you could build a daily workflow that fetches financial news from different websites, uses an LLM to summarize it, and then emails you the summary. So again, this is just going to ask us a few questions here once we actually submit this about what time of day, what email, what topics. It then goes through and actually creates the overview overview right here, and we could see what the overview is, what the workflow is, and then again, we could go through and we could summarize this. Now, like I was telling you earlier, where this really gets crazy is where you stack these different AI employees on top of each other. The same way that you train different employees to handle different parts of your business, that's what you want to do with this. Some of them will handle operations. Some of them will handle data analysis. Some of them will handle marketing, sales, outreach, business development. You're able to automate literally anything that you could want, as you can see here. And you can see if we look at the credits used for this, it is literally almost nothing, which is way different than most other tools. On top of that, you don't have to be technical in order to build these out. Anybody can, simply by just describing what you want. So now if we go through and we actually test this right here, this is what this is going to look like. We could see it. This opens up a browser. It's taking computer action in order to actually look at these. Then it's going through and it's actually coding this out. Now we have our daily financial briefing with an executive summary. And this was emailed to us right here with all of this different information about all of these different things. And what's crazy is how this literally covers everything. Real estate, consumer, technology, cryptocurrencies. You could get this to cover anything that you want. Now, that last use case I wanted to show you here is how you can build out a workflow that checks your Gmail for new emails every single hour, uses AI to see if an email is an invoice, and if it is, it creates a task on your Google Tasks to remind you to pay it. Now, depending on how you actually pay your invoices, you could also set this up to automatically pay your invoices for you if you feel that confident with it. So again, we're just going to come through. We're going to ask some questions. We're going to give it access to both our email and our Google Tasks. Now this goes through, it makes the workflow, and we could see exactly how this works right here. And we could come over here, we could test it and watch this actually run through this and go through our email. And this will now go through it every hour. Now we can see right here that this is all done. We could see that it went through successfully. It set up the infrastructure, set up the email monitoring, set up the invoice detection, and the information extraction. And now we could see everything else that this is doing. And this goes through and gives us a system health check. It gives us all this different information right here, which is absolutely insane. And now we literally get this right here, which put this on our calendar to pay this invoice. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that shows you how to build out other AI autonomous agents that actually have unlimited memory. So they never forget. And once they learn something, they keep learning on top of that and actually adjusting. That sounds interesting? Check out this video right here.